Hey guys, Lee here in my quite empty looking electronics room. I still got photo booths out at staff members' house, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna go over my weekend. So this was my busiest weekend of the year and my most profitable weekend ever. So I'm gonna break it down for you. So I made $8,757.25 before taxes. That's in Canadian. So, and that's between Wednesday and Saturday. Today is Sunday. So, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I had 3 bartending gigs, one for $587.50, one for $930, one for $5,213.25. So that totals bartending gigs from Thursday to Saturday, $6,730.75. A lot of that is rentals on top, grocery on top, and so forth. Mixes, glassware. On Saturday, I had 3 photo booths. So a $1,000 photo booth, a $971 photo booth, and a $145 photo booth. So my total photo booths for Saturday was $2,116. And rentals, I had 4 cocktail tables go out with slip covers on them. And that was for $55.50. And that is my whole weekend. So that made me $8,757.25. My expenses, basically, I just kind of tried to figure out what my expenses were. So staffing, to staff 2 bartenders, 4 bartenders, 5, 6 bartending shifts, and then myself working. I don't count myself. So 6 bartenders and 2 photo booth people cost me $1,500 to staff. I had to buy a hydro gun and molecular cocktails. That cost me $507. I had to buy some glassware to fill the order. That cost me about $100. Event grocery, from what I didn't have, just picking stuff up, cost me an extra $160.
Note to self, do not go to Costco at 11 in the morning.
Gas was about $100. Hotel room was about $100. Snacks about $40. Sub rentals, so I rented out 12-foot pipe and drape backdrop and a coffee perk machine. That cost me $75. And then I paid out $50 for a referral. There's one of my bartenders runs photo booths, but she doesn't run them anymore. So when she throws me a referral, I throw her some cash. So subtracting all of my expenses from the $8,757.25 leaves me at $6,125.25 profit. So this is what I can do on a busy Christmas weekend. This is definitely not what I normally make on weekends, and my busy season is now done, so this is all going in the bank. I'm buying tent walls, and then I'm basically paying for myself being dead until April now. I've got a few gigs here and there. I'm doing guest bartending on December 30th, and just taking some orders for weddings here and there. People are just booking my white fan back chairs. I have not taken any orders for my 20 by 30 tent yet, which is a little unnerving, but I'm sure it will come. Anyways, on to the video of the weekend, the video that I hope you want to see. So check it out. Okay, my snaps are kind of corny, so we're gonna switch it up. The email, alright, so settings. Yeah, there's this 4x6 size. So it's not working, so sometimes when printers not...
Got the photo booth all set up here for Brent, contractor. What's up, guys? Just working on photo booths here. Family's in bed. Just wanted to show you the new smile screen that I put on my, or say cheese screen that I put on my photo booth. So I'm just loading up the gig. One of my staff members just called in sick for tomorrow's event, so I'm gonna have to hire someone. So it's kind of a little bit hectic for a couple minutes, but yeah, I'm just loading into the center. It's actually a block away from my house, so it's quite nice. So if anything's needed tonight, I can just run back to the event rather than bring a whole bunch of unneeded supplies just in case, right? This is called the Northridge Center, and it's about a block away from my house. And yeah, I get a chance to work here, I don't know, 5 or 6 times a year. So this is just the back kitchen area, and we're just going towards the bar area in here. This is where the bartenders will be working tonight. So this is it. There's a little ice machine with a little bit of ice. So I'm at Canadian Tire right now, and there's these Christmas tree holding bags. I wonder what I could put in those. Obviously not Christmas trees, but extra large bag and $60. And then there's a large bag for $50. So when I'm not as busy, I'm gonna have to look into that.
Welcome to Party Rentals Drop-Off Zone. You can leave your rentals right there. You're on camera. Time to cut setting some bleh. Time to start cutting some garnishes.
6 a.m. It's garnish time.
So when you're cutting garnish, things like cheese and beef jerky are very hard to cut. So if you have a cheese knife, that is a key pro tip. Hey Google, what's the temperature outside right now?
In Martinsville right now, it's minus 29. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's minus 36.
Celsius. So I rented a coffee urn from another rental company, a 100-cup coffee perk machine. So the instructions come on the top, and it just comes in one of these boxes. So when I start doing coffee machines, which I'm going to right away, that's how I'm going to do it. What's up, guys? So just traveling up to the gig. So I'm about an hour in right now, so it's 2.5 hour drive. The driving is just relaxing by myself. So I'm on my way to Lloydminster. All right. So remember that scene in Final Destination 2, I think it is, where there's that log truck that the log slips off and like goes through the guy's window, and like 10 of them all die. So every time I drive behind one of these trucks, I envision that whole scenario. So I'm kind of zoomed in on it there. So yeah, let's get around this, guys.
The car is gonna be fine. Your dad's gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine, okay? Look at that guy. He's drinking his beer. Oh yeah, that's real responsible.
Making sure you're feeling the pain, willing to aim. 6 shots still in your frame. I'm doing bitch. Ah! Son of a bitch.
We made it around the truck.
So I made some cocktail menus for the client, and I just print them off on my photo booth printer. Yeah, so it cost me 13 cents a print. I just designed the cocktail menus on vintage logo design. So fairly simple, yeah. Just like photo paper. So they're waterproof at the event. So we'll keep a couple of them behind the bar for us as reference, and then we'll keep a couple of them on the bar for the guests to look at and decide what they want to drink. So, cool.
So while I'm driving, I can just quickly check in on one of my photo booths right from my phone. So I've got one out to rental, and so I'll just take a look at the pictures quickly just to make sure that the lighting's good at the event. If the lighting's not good, then I'll have to go into my app and access the booth, and then I'll be able to change the lighting straight from my phone, and the client will just be none the wiser. So I'm just checking on Booth Copilot here to make sure the booth is running good. There it is. Now I'm going into Photo Share Admin, and it looks like the photos have good lighting, so we're good. So yeah, pictures look good, so no need to hack into their photo booth, and all is well. It's that easy. Just access it from my phone, and I'll be able to monitor the other two photo booths that I have going on tonight from my phone as well. So it's kind of cool. It's like babysitting, photo booth babysitting. So rental photo booths are key, and this technology is just amazing to have. So if you're thinking about building a rental booth, this is one thing that you want to use. You want to use DSLR booth simply because it has the Copilot app, and you can just have ease of being able to fix photo booths on the go and monitor them. So yeah, good talk. I'm at the Good Nights Inn. This is my room for the night. So yeah, this is where we'll do our final thing. All right, good talk, YouTube. So this is my most popular portable bar now, I think due to the pricing, but it's also the most convenient for me, as it's just tables that collapse together with the skirting that goes over it. So I'm just gonna show you how it goes here. You'll just see it's just like a folding bar. It doesn't come with this. I actually just staple gunned some Velcro there, and I made my own skirting. So you can buy special skirting and clips. I just didn't like the way it looked. And then you see it just screws on to a table there. So, and everything folds down into tables, and it comes in 6-foot sections, so you can make it as long or as short, down to 6 feet, up to anything in intervals of 6 feet as you'd like. So this is the bar there. You won't see the seams there come when the dim lights go on. Okay, so I haven't really showed you this, but let me grab a CO2 cannon. Okay, so I'm just screwing this on here, and then you just tighten it with the provided wrench. Oh yeah, she's good. That was fun. Okay, so now let's set up the uplights and the icy pyrotechnics. So just got the fog machine set up there, or the ADJ volcanoes. So they're excited for tonight. So if you want to get an aqua looking light, doesn't look aqua from here, but to my eye it does. On these lights, if you don't have a remote, you want to go max power blue and max power green. So on these ones it's 255. So I just put green up to 255 and red up to 255. Or sorry, green and blue both up to 255. So this one, the blue's already on. It's probably a little bit lower. So we're gonna flip it around, and we're just gonna press mode, and that's red, so we'll press mode again. Green, so we'll press down because that'll give us the most. So green's at 255, and then blue is at 61, so we want to do it up till it hits 255. Oops, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Beautiful. And then so you get like a green and a blue light, and then when they mix together, they come on the wall like an aqua color. So, okay, here they go. So the bar is coming together now, and Laurel's here. Hi, Laurel. Hi. She's gonna be bartending for the night. One of the bartenders, Laurel and Beverly and me. So they said 700, but I think the seating looks more like 500. So then they've got a photo booth in the corner. Initially they had my photo booth booked, but I guess they like this guy better, so that's okay. So yeah, there's an illusionist here tonight. So he's from Las Vegas. He's just setting up here. Sean Watson. And yeah, so tonight we are going to be doing bottle flipping, fire tricks, molecular cocktails, fire versus ice, and illuminated icy pyrotechnics, as well as while serving gourmet Caesar, Grinch Martini, Frostbite Martini, Flambe, Captain's Coffee, and Old Fashioned. Then we have, what do we have here? So we've got Caesar garnishes, gourmet Caesar garnishes. And then in this one here, we've got some candy garnishes. And in this last one, we've got some fruit garnishes. So the lighting's good. It all looks like monotone gray, but it's actually pretty colorful. But no one will get to enjoy that because everything looks gray in here. Yeah, there's the illuminated back bar and the illuminated icy pyrotechnics there. Perfect. And that is that. I need to go buy some Everclear. All right, good talk. All right, so I'm at the event, and Beverly and Laurel are bartending with me tonight, and we're gonna rock it. So this is the end setup here, so it looks pretty good. Yeah, so looks good. We'll try a test fireball, and Beverly will record that for us. Just get the perfect shot, and I will. This is the practice round.
Oh, but it's on video?
Yes.
So you're blowing.
You are the star now.
Back
Okay.
up, Laurel. And I. Okay, so you're gonna shoot this way, and I'm gonna blow the fireball this way. You've got the whole thing in the shot?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, let's do this.
Oh, I'm not on!
All right.
Why?
All right. Oh, turn it off. So there is Laurel's drink tonight. That's the Grinch Martini, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the Grinch Martini. And it looks pretty sweet.
Should I do this for my juice?
Whatever you think. Doing a bar service while doing these molecular cocktails is basically making them as you go because they melt, right? That's why no one offers these, because they're so tough to do. So it gives you the edge. So lesson is do something that's hard, because people won't copy it because it's too hard, and then you can get that competitive edge. So yeah, these are the molecular cocktails. Sometimes we do them in vending capsules. Sometimes we do them in these little 1 ounce food cups. And yeah, so here they are. They go inside cocktails and make them smoke. What's up, guys? So, finally done my weekend. Back at the hotel in Lloyd. One of my staff members drove home. One of them lives here in Lloyd, and so I'm gonna catch a few hours of shut-eye in the hotel room because I'm a terrible night driver. I get sleepy, and yeah, so catch a couple hours of shut-eye and then leave. So this is my night, just chilling out here. I've got some leftover Caesar garnishes to munch on. One of my photo booths tonight, the printer decided to start burning all the media, so I went through about $300 of media before the photo booth girl that I had hired just decided to call it quits. Not quits on the booth, but to just turn it into a digital booth. So she said the client was happy, but we'll see on Monday. Anyways, that's my weekend. Hope you liked my video. Yeah, so sub to the channel and smash the like button. And I'm gonna catch some shut-eye and you stay classy.